Hello, people. You are welcome once again to today's e-learning program. Our subject will be math, and the topic is the symbols for less than, more than, and equal to. The symbols for less than, more than, and equal to. Last time we were dealing with the less than, more than, and equal to, but today we are moving on to the symbols. So less than, this is the sign for less than. More than, that is the sign. Equal to or same as, that is the sign we are going to use. So instead of what we did last week when we wrote numbers like 6 and 9, and when you are asked to compare these numbers, 6 is smaller, so you write less than. But today we are not going to use the words. We are going to use the symbols. So when I write 6 and 9, less than, this is the symbol for less than. So we write the symbol there, less than. So it means 6 is less than 9. So a clue to help us with our symbols. When you do this with your right hand, it becomes less than, as you can see on the board, less than. But when you do this with your left hand, then it becomes greater than. Very good. Another example, I hope you all know the alligator. An alligator is like a crocodile. So when the alligator opens its mouth like this, it always wants a bigger fish. It always wants a bigger fish. So it will take the bigger fish. So in this scenario, the bigger fish is the bigger number. The bigger fish is the bigger number here. And the smaller fish will be the smaller number. So when the alligator opens its mouth like this, it will always take the bigger fish or the bigger number. So when we have 9 and 2 here, alligator will open its mouth and take the 9 because 9 is bigger than 2. So it becomes what? Greater than. 9 is greater than 2. Another example. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Which one is bigger? The 5. So the alligator is taking the bigger one, which is the 5. So it becomes what? 4 is less than 5. Very good. So always remember that the opening of the sign, should face the bigger number. The opening of the sign should face the bigger number. If the bigger number comes first or last, just put in your mind that the opening of the sign should always face the bigger number. So if you have 90 and 19, which one is bigger? 90. So the opening will face 90. Then it becomes 90 is greater than 19. Very good. Let's give some 3 examples. Then you try it at home. After that, we will come to the board and solve it together. So example, 4 and 10. 8 and 9. And then 19 and 7. Please try them. We will come back and solve them. All right, so let's solve them together and see if you had them correct at home. So 4 and 10. The bigger number here is 10. So the opening will face 10. Very good. So 4 is less than 10. So 8 and 9. 9 is bigger, so the alligator will take 9. 19 and 7. 19 is bigger, so the opening will face 19. So 19 is also greater than 7. Very good. I hope you had them correct at home. And now let's move on to our last sign, which is the same as or equal to. Same as or equal to. When you say something is same, it means they are equal. When we share it, each and everyone will get 1, 1. So like 8. 8 people sharing 8 oranges. Each one will get 1 orange. So we put the sign equal to or same as. Very good. So you will solve your exercise 2 and assignment 2 at home. The next time we meet, we will talk about the relative size of numbers. That is using a lot bigger than and a little bigger than. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.